In this video, we are going to talk about the sea. The sea experiences a lot of cyclones, tsunamis, and underwater volcanoes. The question is, the fish, can it hear those noises? And according to scientists, the answer is yes. But another question appears is that do they have ears which are visible like that of a human, or like that of a cat, or like that of a dog? And scientists have told that the ears of the fish is not visible to the human eye and is very, very minute. And in fact, it lies inside the head of the fish. And their ears work on the basis of water wave mechanism. Whenever water waves hit their ears or that sensitive parts, that will alert its brain that something bad is going to happen and will help to escape. In this way, this could detect sensitive noises from far away. For example, a shark coming into the territory which could give a warning through the water waves. They are very sensitive and could detect really good sensitive noises. And golden fishes, which are mostly seen both in the oceans and the aquariums of houses, can also detect noises of humans as well. They do have the similar type of ear which is not visible to the human eye. They could hear to the noises like door knocks and speaking of people. However, they are stored in an aquarium which are covered by glasses, but even though they could listen to it. Fishes have really good ears and are sensitive to noise from distance, especially the golden fish when it comes to aquariums.